How to apply Amazon credit card. What's up guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to apply for Amazon credit card. Applying Amazon credit card is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Visit the Amazon credit card page. Search apply Amazon credit card in the search bar and click enter. Click on the first link given below. It will take you to Amazon credit card page. Select credit card marketplace. Select the type of credit card. Amazon typically offers different types of credit card such as the Amazon Prime Reward Visa Signature Card and Amazon Store Card. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preference. Review the card details. Once you have selected the type of credit card you want to apply for it, review its features, benefits and terms carefully. Click on apply now. Once you have chosen the card you want, click on apply now button. Fill out the application form. You will be asked to provide your personal information such as your name, address, contact details and annual income. Make sure to fill out all the required fields accurately. Review and submit your application. Before submitting your application, carefully review all the information you have provided to ensure its accuracy. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, the credit card issuer will review it to determine your eligibility. This process typically takes a few seconds to few weeks, depending on the issuer and your credit card worthiness. Receive your card. If your application is approved, you will receive your Amazon credit card in the mail within a few business days. Activate your card. Once you receive your card, you will need to activate it before you can start using it. This can usually be done online or by phone following the instruction provided with your card. That's it, you have successfully applied Amazon credit card. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.